Hi enthusiasts of automobiles, Home Product has the newest and best car accessories to inspire you. Explore Amazon's enormous assortment with us, and we'll provide insightful analysis and suggestions to improve your driving experience. Number 15. This is a potential life-saving headrest that has successfully passed the Coal-Span safety crash test. In the event of a crash, it provides protection for your head and your neck. Setting it up upon delivery is a breeze. Simply lock in the left and right clamps, secure them in place, attach the 2 cushions on each side, and the installation is complete. After using it, you can lift the cushions and keep them in place until needed again. A word of caution: before purchasing this headrest, ensure that the seat has a metal rod for attachment. Employing a unique 3-stage filtration system, this device effectively removes up to 99% of pollution and dust from your car, ensuring a continuous supply of fresh and clean air. It is particularly beneficial for individuals allergic to dust, pollen, and smoke. It maintains air purity consistently. Even if you want to roll down your window, it has a filter that lasts 8 to 12 months, and the LED indicator will signal you when it's time to replace it, whether positioned on the back of seats or between front seats. Activating the gopher is as simple as pushing the start button, and it's ready to purify the air. At times, our tire pressure is not at the level we need it to be. Number 14. Do you struggle when cleaning the underside of your car at home? Say goodbye to that problem with the WarmQ Undercarriage Cleaner. This ultimate gadget is designed to make your life easier. With its 4 innovative nozzles that attach to a pressure washer, it effortlessly maneuvers under your vehicle thanks to its unique shape. This high-pressure water jet effectively removes dirt from even the most hard-to-reach places. The built-in rollers ensure easy handling and prevent unnecessary exertion. Moreover, its telescopic handle allows for comfortable work, regardless of your car size. Don't miss out on this useful gadget, with prices starting at just $40. Number 13. Now, who says you can't have a sparkling clean car on the go? The Chemical Guy's ProFlow Performance Electric Pressure Washer lets you give your vehicle a professional-grade cleaning wherever you are. Its powerful spray and compact design make it a must-have for every car owner. The Auto Stop Turn-Off technology feature automatically turns on and off the pressure washer pump depending on trigger engagement to help save energy, reduce wear and tear, and prolong unit life. Whether you want to remove stubborn dirt, grime, or road salt, this pressure washer delivers outstanding results. Number 12. For all the car enthusiasts who love a good wash, we have the Chemical Guy's HOL 12614 piece Arsenal Builder Car Wash Kit with a foam gun. This kit is the ultimate collection of car wash supplies and is the gift that keeps on giving. For any car buff, truck enthusiast, or classic car fan, it contains everything needed to clean and maintain a beautiful shine on any car or truck. This comprehensive kit has everything you need to achieve that showroom shine, right in the comfort of your driveway. From premium quality cleaning solutions to a foam gun that produces thick suds, this kit ensures a thorough and efficient car wash experience. Number 11. Being prepared for unanticipated roadside problems is essential for drivers, and that's where this little multi-tool comes in. It is made for auto accidents and has a built-in belt cutter for when the safety belt is compromised, as well as a glass breaker to assist with rapid escapes. Consider fastening this indispensable instrument straight to your safety belt for easy access. Number 10. Shy Velvet Card End. With this creative card end, you can show your automobile some love. It affixes to your parked car and serves as a shield, keeping dust and weather damage at bay. That's not all, though. Additionally, our vehicle canopy reduces hazardous emissions and other health hazards associated with a heated inside by keeping your car cool and radiant. Featuring super suction cups, anti-theft steel wire rope security, and silver-coated poo substance, the inside can be cooled by up to 77 degrees Fahrenheit with it. Give your vehicle the makeover it deserves with this amazing add-on. Number 9. Up next, we have the DriveLink newest portable CarPlay. Say goodbye to tangled wires and limited connectivity. This portable car stereo receiver is compatible with wired and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing superior voice assist control and making it easier to access your iPhone. Features including online music, the latest navigation, calls, notifications, messages, and much more. This innovative gadget brings wireless connectivity to your car, allowing you to seamlessly stream music, make calls, and access your favorite apps right from your dashboard. The compact design and easy setup make it a must-have for any tech-savvy driver. Mojipic Emoji car display. Number 8. Prepare to spruce up your vehicle with this amazing LED display. You can select from thousands of emojis, smiles, and animated graphics using the special mobile app that functions as a remote control. The possibilities are unlimited. Whether you want to promote your favorite team or announce the arrival of a baby, you can also let your imagination run wild by creating your texts and graphics. Installing the display on any of your Windows computers is simple. Not to mention that it can be operated safely hands-free thanks to its compatibility with Siri and Google Assistant. There are even 8-bit games installed for your passengers to play. Number 7. Heltecko Car Seat Organizer. Say goodbye to car clutter with the Heltecko Car Seat Organizer. This stylish add-on keeps things organized inside your car. It is easy to assemble and has 9 sections, a roomy pocket, and a sturdy strap to keep everything organized and within children's reach. It also comes with a tablet holder that works with tablets up to 10.5 inches in size. Crafted from premium materials, it offers protection from mud and kicks, and is available in fashionable black or grey hues. Have more worthwhile and enjoyable trips with this indispensable car edition. Allow me to present to you a vehicle dryer that will work well and be a pleasure to own. In only a few minutes, this small gadget will have your automobile dry and ready to go. It's great for blowing dust off the hood and washing your wheels in addition to drying the inside of your car. With its 10-foot hose and 3 interchangeable nozzles, this dryer is incredibly flexible. 3 temperature settings are available to accommodate various materials. Number 6. Cooluli 4-liter mini fridge. Meet my favorite. The Cooluli Classic 4-liter mini fridge. The ultimate portable cooler and warmer. Using Eco-Max technology, this lightweight and small refrigerator ensures energy efficiency and silent operation without the use of chemicals or gases. This refrigerator is your best bet for keeping food, beverages, cosmetics, and other goods either warm or cold. It has easy-to-use controls, a detachable shelf, a handy door pocket, a comfortable carrying handle, and a self-locking magnetic door handle. Ideal for road trips, camping, and any other on-the-go adventure. All you have to do is connect it to a power bank via a USB cable or put it into your car's DC converter for electricity. The adaptable Cooluli Classic Mini Fridge maintains your necessities at the ideal temperature consistently, no matter where you are. Number 5. Almost every car owner has had to deal with the crankcase gas system. There are enough reasons for breathing. Among the most common, oil quality, or it's not quite the correct selection. Well, and what we have. The internal combustion engine breathes, throws oil into the inlet, plaques lay on the throttle flap, soiled idle valve, gets into the combustion chamber, then burns leaving soot. Its installation is simple. We remove the standard hose of the high-speed breather, measure the diameter of connectors to pick up the hose, and put in the cut of the trunk oil trap. It is designed for 300 milliliters of oil maximum and is sold in 3 colors: black, blue, red, and silver. Number 4. If you're tired of a messy trunk, the JOYTUTUS Cargo Mat fits like a glove, protecting your car's interior from spills, dirt, and scratches. Its durable material and precise fit make it a reliable companion for your cargo hauling adventures. Whether you're transporting groceries, sports equipment, or luggage, this cargo mat keeps your trunk is clean and organized. Enjoy peace of mind knowing that your car's interior remains spotless, no matter what you're hauling. Number 3. Portable single-phase inverter for air plasma cutting with contact arc ignition. It is used for fast cutting without deformation of all conductive materials. Steel, stainless steel, galvanic steel, aluminium, copper, brass, etc. High performance despite its compact size and low weight is an indispensable tool for car service centers. Number 2. Exhaust tips are another gift for recycling enthusiasts. Exhaust tips will make your car much more refined, matte black, or shiny. You can choose. They will give a more aggressive and sporty look to your car. The availability of numerous sizes allows you to select the nozzles for any car. Installation takes minutes, and they will please you for many years. Number 1. Hello to professional level detailing. Our number 10 pick, the BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBD, is a dream come true for DIY car enthusiasts. BlueDriver is the easiest way to scan and understand your vehicle like a professional mechanic. This handy device connects to your car's onboard diagnostic system, providing real-time data and diagnostics. Keep an eye on your car's health and troubleshoot issues like a pro. The BlueDriver app provides detailed reports and recommendations, helping you understand and resolve problems quickly. Our digital engine is cooling down, but your journey is just beginning. Stay connected with us, like, share, and gear up for the next ride.